Hello friends, welcome to CarTuber. Today I'll be showing you a Mazda 2 red color. As you can see, this is a before video. The car didn't have any much major dents. The gravels and stones that threw out from the car in front of you has affected its side mirror, the front bumper, as you can see, with a lot of dents, small tiny dents on the hood as well as the front bumper and the two side mirrors, which is what we are focusing right now. To start off with, we sanded up the whole panel with a 1000 grit sandpaper, and once this is done, we apply polyester putty on top of this. We try to use a minimum amount of putty as possible, as the dots and the dents are very tiny. Now we are applying primer on the car. The primer helps cover up all the putty as well as it bonds the paint of the car very well so that it doesn't pop out after a certain rough use. It even extends the life of the paint, so you can expect at least 4 to 5 years of paint life after applying a primer. The most difficult part of this car was the paint, as this is a 3-stage paint. It starts off with a base paint, then there is a following second coat that is applied on the car, and then the clear coat. The most difficult part about Mazda cars is matching its paint. It's usually not done in the low end paints. For this car we got the paint from the Glasurit company. Now once this is done, we polish and wax the entire car. Once this is done, now let me show you the final look of the car. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.